Happy Friday, everybody. Hey, it's Chef Troy B, your personal chef. Just want to thank you for showing up today, coming to see me. It's been a while. It's been a while since I cooked. So we're going to do a nice, classic Italian pasta carbonara tonight. Some simple ingredients. I love Italian cooking because they just use the simplest ingredients and turning into masterpieces. But before we get started, you know how I like to do. I like to cast my vision. So my vision is to strengthen, renew, and restore interpersonal relationships through the sharing of meals and the joy of cooking. So now we got the vision cast. I'd like to say thank you to my sponsor this week. You see my T-shirt. It's kind of crazy but kind of simple at the same time. Suicidal to Sufficient. Their brand is I Am Sufficient Clothing. I've known this young lady from when she was like a preteen. It's probably going on 13 years now, and she started this clothing line to bring awareness to mental health issues, especially in the Black community. So check her out. You can follow her. I'll tag her. I tagged her a few times in my post. I'll also put a link up for her website when this is all over. But she has great merch, and it just brings awareness to people who may be going through a rough spot. You know, 2020 has been very crazy. I'm not suicidal, but I've probably killed off a lot of dreams just with bad thoughts and just hanging around people who weren't supportive. But I've known people both in college and even now who are down and felt suicidal. I've known a couple people who actually committed suicide when I was in college, and I actually saw a lady commit suicide in front of me while I worked a summer job. So mental health is serious. Your mental health is good. Everything else will be good. So don't be afraid to ask for help. And if you know anybody who is struggling, please reach out to them, talk to them, let them know you care about them. That's sometimes the biggest thing that they need. So reach out, love somebody today, and let's have some fun cooking today. So I want to thank I Am Sufficient Clothing for sponsoring me this week. And let's get to cooking. Come on over, Mr. Tires, and show them the ingredients today. So we're using now, traditionally, carbonara is made with guanciale. Now, I hope I pronounced that wrong. My Italian is not that good, but that's a smoked pork jaw. But a good substitute is pancetta. You can get pancetta at your deli counter in your local supermarket. I get it thick cut, usually 2 slices. This is a little less than a half a pound. I got some nice fresh pecorino, Romano pecorino, nice salty cheese. It's a sheep's milk cheese. I have our friend the egg is back, so I got 3 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk. Black pepper. We'll just use a little bit of Italian olive oil, and then we're using bucatini pasta today. It's a rough, coarse, almost squarish. Looks like a little straw inside, but this will hold the sauce that we're going to make with the eggs and the cheese. So I'm gonna get started by getting our oil. Getting our pan hot, of course, and we're going to render off and brown this lovely pancetta. So we're going to put this on a medium heat today. Get our pan hot, of course. cooking under the hood, these things happen. So I want to thank you for coming, and please check out my sponsor today, I Am Sufficient Clothing, and check on your people today. If you haven't heard from somebody in a while, or if you know somebody's going through some stuff, just check on them, let them know that you love them. And hey, you know how I like to end my show. This is Chef Troy V, your personal chef, and my reward is an empty plate. Y'all have a blessed weekend.